This nature-inspired project will teach you how to turn a real sycamore seed or maple seed into a pair of solid silver earrings with 24-karat gold details. These winged helicopter seeds, called samaras, develop throughout the spring and summer before spiraling down to the ground in autumn. Their delicate veins and curves create a beautiful pair of earrings that are both sculptural and organic. In this step-by-step online project, you'll create a pair of silicone moulds using real sycamore or maple seeds, then use silver clay to create a pair of perfect replicas. You'll fire your pieces either with a blowtorch or a kiln, before soldering jump rings and fabricating your own French hook earring wires. Finally, you'll use the Keum Boo technique to add 24-karat gold details to your earrings and polish them to a high shine. This project is broken down into 10 easy-to-digest video lessons and bonus content. You can work through it in one go, or if you want to take a break, the progress bar will keep track of where you are so you can pick up where you left off. In the resources section, you'll find printable written instructions to keep on your bench, plus a full tools and materials list with supplier links. And if you get stuck along the way, don't hesitate to get in touch. I'll be happy to personally answer your questions to ensure you fully enjoy the making process and complete your project.